wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best tire repair kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. It's not the most comprehensive option out there, but the Victor 30 piece includes most of the components you'll need to fix standard car tires on the go, including plugs, patches, metal buffers, and rubber cement. It even has a gauge for checking air pressure afterwards. It comes with an instructional guide and is very affordably priced. However, the plastic case could be sturdier. At number 7, if you've ever had a flat while on a long bicycle ride, you'll consider the rocride 16-piece kit a must-have. It comes in a compact carrying case that will easily fit in a backpack or saddlebag, and it contains a scuffer, glue, patches, and tire removal tools. The patches are stronger than tubes, and it's also suitable for motorcycles, but it doesn't include a pump. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the Slime T-handle is a basic plug kit that will keep a puncture seal just long enough for you to get your car to the nearest shop. It's not a long-term solution, but it will let you repair minor holes without having to remove the tire from the rim. It's ideal for small nail holes and pays for itself in one use. However, it won't fix big tears or major damage. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tire repair kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, motorcycle and scooter owners will appreciate the stop-and-go pocket plugger, which will repair and inflate tubeless tires without having to dismount them. Just prep the opening, insert a cord, and use one of the CO2 cartridges to pump some emergency air into the tire. It comes in a pocket-sized carrying pouch, and each cartridge fills one tire. But the rubber plugs are hard to apply. Halfway up our list at number 4, the Safety Seal Pro is designed to repair any tubeless tire, whether it's on a small compact car or heavy machinery. Also, unlike some flimsy plastic components, the high-quality metal insertion tool and T-handle spiral probe are sure to last a lifetime. It includes an impact-resistant carrying case, an instruction booklet with photos, and 30 repair plugs. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. For those who don't want to deal with messy rubber cement or sticky plugs, this Fix-A-Flat Ultimate is the ideal solution. The one-step kit sends sealant and air into a flat tire at the push of a button, no matter what size it is or what kind of vehicle it's on. It's equipped with a built-in pressure gauge and a 12-volt inflator. The pump can be used without sealant too. At number 2, whether you have a Jeep or an ATV, it's a good idea to invest in this Boulder Tools Heavy Duty before your next off-road adventure. All of its tools are extra rugged, from the solid steel T-handles to the ergonomic pliers, which is a handy addition not featured in other kits. The parts are backed by a 1-year warranty, and it all comes in a strong plastic case with a total of 56 pieces. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Slime Power Spair contains enough material needed to fix literally dozens of flat tires, making it one of the best deals out there. It includes a heavy-duty 12-volt compressor that can be run through your cigarette lighter, so you'll always have a power supply. It inflates standard car tires in 3 minutes and comes with a 16-foot coiled air hose and an alligator clip battery power adapter. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tire repair kits, or simply click beneath this video.